This video is the fastest crash course on exactly how to set up and use Zoho CRM completely for free for your small business. If you've never used a CRM before, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step from signing up to adding leads, managing deals, and tracking your sales. And honestly, a simple CRM like Zoho can save you hours every week once you learn how to set it up the right way. Before we start, a portion of this video is brought to you by AirLift. More on that later. Alright, let's jump in. So first things first, let's head over to Google and type Zoho CRM free plan. Zoho offers a bunch of different products, so make sure you're on the page that says free CRM for small businesses. Once you're there, you can sign up using your Google account. That's usually the easiest way. You'll then land on your Zoho CRM dashboard, and if this is your first time seeing it, don't worry. It looks more complicated than it actually is. Let's go through it together. So here's your main dashboard. Think of this as a control room. This is where you can see what's happening in your business at a glance. You will see things like open tasks, stuff you and your team need to follow up on, deals closing this month, what's about to convert into money, today's leads. You can customize this dashboard completely. For example, if you want to track all activities or upcoming calls, you can just click Add Component, choose what you want, and hit Save. Now that you know where everything lives, let's actually add your first lead. A lead is simply someone who's interested in your product or service. Maybe they called you, emailed you, or filled out a form. Click on the Leads tab on the left and then hit Create Lead. You'll see a form where you can add all their details like name, phone number, company name, where they came from. Let's say you run a digital agency and someone called after seeing your ad. You can enter name, company, phone, lead source, and once you fill that out, hit Save, and you've added your first lead. You can also add notes like follow up with a proposal on Monday, just to keep everything organized. Now, once a lead becomes serious, maybe you've sent a quote or they've shown interest, you can convert that lead into a deal. Click on the lead, then hit Convert. Zoho will automatically move them into your deals pipeline, where you can track every stage from negotiation to closing the deal. Here's a simple example. You are building a website for $10,000. You can set the deal name at the expected closing date and choose the current stage, let's say negotiation. You'll now see this deal appear in your pipeline view, where you can drag and drop across stages like contacted, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won. That's how you visually track your progress and never lose sight of where a client is in your sales process. One of the most useful parts of any CRM is keeping track of all your interactions. Inside Zoho, that happens in the Activities tab. Here you can log calls, schedule meetings, or create tasks, all linked to a specific client or lead. For example, if you're following up on a proposal, you can create a task called Follow Up with X on final quote and set the date, and Zoho will remind you automatically. You can even schedule meetings and send invites directly from here if you're working with the team. Once you've added a few leads and deals, Zoho starts to give you some nice insights. Go over to reports and you can see things like how many deals you've closed this month, which lead sources are working best, your revenue pipeline. Even on the free plan, you'll get enough data to see what's working and where you're losing leads. Now, if your business runs on WordPress and you're trying to get more clients through your website, speed really matters. That's why we built AirLift, a free plugin that boosts your site's performance instantly. You just install it, and in seconds, your page speed score can jump to 90. It's completely free, and I've linked it in the description if you want to check it out. So that's the basics of Zoho CRM: adding leads, managing contacts, tracking deals, and keeping your follow-ups in one place. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my next video where I show you how to automate lead collection using Google Maps data.